Okay, you guys. Sorry, it took me a minute here to get my microphone working. Hey, everybody. Everybody, take a seat real quick and just relax for a second. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I did. I got a new mattress, which is good. So slept a little too long tonight, which is good. Let's go over some basics here. We are having a tech issue with GitHub right now, where some people are seeing some red error messages. Who's all seen those? Anybody? Yeah. So right now, huh?
I found a fix for
He
it.
found a fix for it. Okay. Well, our tech support guy Gannon is out, so he's sick. He was sick actually last week as well. So we are hoping he gets better because he is very helpful around here. There is a fix for it some of you guys have been doing, where you just basically just repull the entire project, or reclone the entire project. That will work. This guy says he has a fix. We can go over that here in a second. If who still needs to have that issue fixed? Anybody? Okay, 2 people. Who's recloned the entire project? Anybody? Okay, so looks like there's a couple people. So he's figured it out. So after the meeting, if you need help, grab this guy and he'll help you on that. All right, so last time we had talked about getting programmers some features to work on. Have we given our programmers features to work on? Do programmers have features to work on?
Yeah.
We went over like a list of stuff for starting on puzzly sort of aspect, puzzle and chemical runs and stuff, and started on traps.
Traps and puzzles? Okay, cool. So every programmer has something to work on at this point. Okay, good. What's that?
Chat can't speak today. I'm
can't hear you.
honing in on all the movements here.
Okay, good. So just make sure all the programmers have something to work on that pertains to the game. 3D art, have we pulled all of the packs and everything that we need into the game as of right now? Did we get the medieval pack in?
Yeah, it's there.
It's there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well, any other 3D art, where are the level designers at? Level design, give me a quick update on level design. What's going, where are we at on that?
What do you like?
Have you guys started working on levels yet, or are we still drawing top downs, or?
I'm working on my second mask. He's still getting his up. But they've done their top down.
Okay. We need to start working in Unreal, right?
Yeah. I've got. There's I think three maps in there from 3 people so far.
Okay. So you guys are going to need to have to communicate to the art department when you know that you need 3D art for your level.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Like, if there's anything specific that you're like, oh, I need like a pink jewel that's surrounded by skulls or something, like, you need to communicate that to the art department so they can go out and track and find those assets. And remember, we're not making anything from scratch. We're just pulling everything from online. And I've said that 1,000 times, but I'm going to say it again just because.
The other thing that I was going to ask was I don't know if you're done with Firelands yet. I got it up on the project,
Uh-huh.
but if we could get that on there because I am building it.
Okay, who put medieval in there?
Ganon pushed medieval.
I asked him, but he hasn't answered that yet.
We are significantly impacted by the loss of Ganon, if you haven't understood that. So this is why, personnel is so important on these projects. As you can see, like, one person being gone can like really hurt us, especially our tech guy. So it may be a good idea for somebody else in here to possibly assume the role of like co-tech guy. Every Batman needs a Robin. So if anybody in here feels technical enough, you know what I'm saying? Like, it may be a good idea if we have a backup because he seems to have some allergies and stuff. 2D art, same thing. Screens, we talked about that. Where's our 2D artists in here? They're doing screens. Awesome.
Everybody.
Okay. Okay. So there's something in Unreal called widgets, and basically what that is it's like a way for you to take your 2D art, like take it out of Photoshop in different pieces, layers and stuff, and you put it in these widgets, which then the programmers can then throw up on the screen wherever, like whenever you hit P for pause or whatever, right? So 2D artists would be a good idea to look at widget tutorials on YouTube on how to get that in. It's really easy. You just create a widget and then it pops up a little thing, and then you can you can put images in, and like it's pretty simple. But definitely check that out, because we need to start getting the 2D art out of Photoshop and getting it into Unreal. Because at the end of the day, all of the stuff that we're creating has to go inside the game. That's the end result is in the game, right? Not in Maya and Mixamo, and it's got to get into Unreal. Game design. Where's our game design lead?
Hi.
Awesome. Okay, so have you been keeping up with your document?
Yeah, it's still kind of, I need to filter through a lot of things. I need to talk with different leads and kind of have a central basis of what all that breakdown is.
Okay.
But the main first 2 pages is like all the overarching concepts. So it's like, this is the bad guy, this is the good guy, this is the whole point of the dungeon, this is this play style, stuff like that. So all the breakdown still needs to be filtered out.
Okay. Does anybody have any questions right now while we got the hood open? Does anybody not know what they're supposed to be doing? Does everyone have a task? Does everyone have a task? Yeah? Okay, are there any meetings we need to have after this where we need to go over certain stuff to make sure, like you just said, you need to get with some leads and...
I mean, I can talk with people individually over Discord to sort that stuff out. So it doesn't have to be right now.
Okay. Art department, do you guys need to have a meeting and talk about stuff? Make sure everybody's on the same page? Okay. Might be a good idea just in general for the leads to just walk around and talk to everybody and make sure that people are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Okay, guys?
Me out for?
Didn't lock you out.
Bet.
All right.
Remember this.
Let's make some progress today on this game, okay?
Hey, let's not.
Let's go. Wow, Raphael.
Hey, man. I'm your backup. I got you.